Good morning and welcome students. Here is Priyanka Roy. Today we will discuss about the 5th chapter of your 12th history book, Through the Eyes of the Travelers and the Perception of the Society. So here we are notice that how the travelers describe about the world, and some important travelers are Al-Biruni, Ibn Battuta and other travelers are described about the world, about the Indian cities and the other parts of the world, and it is a unique system of the communication. So let it start. Al-Biruni was born in 973 CE in present the Uzbekistan. Normally, Al-Biruni received the best education available in that age. He knew that many languages like Arabic, Hebrew, Persian, Sanskrit. When Al-Biruni wrote the travel book about the literature was already as an accepted part of the Arabic literature, and this travel literature generally deals with the far of the lands like Sahara Desert in the west till River Volga in the north. And Al-Biruni wrote a book in Arabic called the Kitab-ul-Hind. It is a simple and lucid book. This voluminous text was divided into 80 chapters, and he described about the astronomy, festivals, manners and customs in this book. Normally, he was very much aware about the translation and adaptation of Pali, Sanskrit, Prakrit text into Arabic language. Next important traveler is Ibn Battuta, whose traveling description was written in the Arabic language, what is very famous with the name of the Rihla. It gives very much of rich and interesting information of the social and cultural life of the Indian subcontinent in 14th century. Normally, Ibn Battuta considered the experience gained through the travels as more important source of the knowledge than the books. He traveled to new lands and far off the places to know more and more about the people. Ibn Battuta traveled through the Central Asia and reached Sindh through the land route in 1333 CE. He had heard about the Sultan of Delhi, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, as a patron of art and literature. He was impressed by the Sultan's reputation, so he wrote about him and many other sultans like Multan, Uch. The Sultan was greatly impressed by the wisdom and appointed him as the Qazi of Delhi. Ibn Battuta traveled extensively in China. He went till the Beijing for a long time, and about his description, China is oftenly compared with the description of Marco Polo, and Marco Polo traveled the China and India by the starting his journey from the Venice. Ibn Battuta wrote his ideas with the great caution about the new cultures, people, beliefs and values. Hope so my knowledge will help you to understand this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.